Again, thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor in New York. This time I have a Pfaff Creative 3.0, two machines in 2 days in a row. You know, it's not something you see very often. The other one has no power, and this one, the actually bobbin winder. Listen to this. And the bobbin winder, it's not spinning. It's making the noise, but it's not spinning. Now I'm gonna check into it and see what's going on. I think that I know what the problem is. I think that the micro switch on it is not working. Could be something wrong with the motor, with the micro switch, but I'm gonna open up the machine now, check it out, and go inside to see what's going on. Once I see what it is, I'll guys let you know what's happening, so next time you have a problem, you can look into it. Here's the machine now. You know, everything looks good, but what happened when I press on the foot control? See? Not spinning. Now what's happening is really nothing is damaged, and it's good that nothing is happening, nothing is damaged, but I do want to show you this. Look at this. See, look at this. The belt just fell off from the machine. How? I don't know. The belt, it's not in place. It's not what it's supposed to be. You see how the belt is? So, you know, all I need to do is just engage the belt back into it, and I think that's the problem. I don't think there's anything else damaged with it. Now that I open it, I could see that the actually belt fell off. How? I don't know. You know, why would that happen? But I'm going to put everything back together and try it again. But, you know, the micro switch usually goes back, but this is not the case because it's activating. When you go and you push it in, you could hear the click on it, so that's good. The only thing that I find out is just the belt. So I'm gonna, you know, I'm just gonna put the belt back in place. This one also is a little loose now that I got the machine open. I'm gonna adjust this belt to the main drive belt, and this is just the motor pulley belt that drives the actually top shaft. So I'm gonna check it out, put it back together, and see what's happening. Okay, I have put the belt back. You know, the belt just fell off from the wheel. Why? I don't know, but fell off. You know, there's nothing really that it's a hole in this. The only thing is that tension here that keeps the machine and the belt together. So now the bobbin winder, see, spinning. So if I deactivate it, if I activate it, now it's spinning. You can see now the machine is spinning right here. Spinning now. So I deactivate the machine working. So, you know, that's something that I never saw before, you know, like a belt falling off. I don't know why would that happen, you know, but that was just the only issue that machine had, you know. I'm surprised because this is a pretty new machine, you know. Machine looks great in the inside. Everything is well built. Very, very strong machine. Look at this handle. It's strong the way it's made. You know, love these machines. These Pfaff machines are great. Everything, all the wiring, power, everything, it's good. So, you know, that I'm glad that nothing happened major to the machine. Just the actually belt that fell off. But besides that, everything is good.